Okay, in this video I will be demonstrating how to use the Traceroute tool in Windows. This tool is very useful for diagnosing bad networks. Similar to the ping tool, this will send out an ICMP packet to a server, and then we will get those responses back. How Traceroute is different than ping is that you get a response from each hop along the way to your destination. So let's start that now and it'll be a little more clear. So again, we need a command prompt, start button. In this dialog, type in 3 letters, CMD, and that gives us our black box. Okay, in Windows the command is Tracert space, and we're going to give it a server name or an IP address. In this case we're going to use a Google server, and then enter on your keyboard. What you'll see is the requests come back, or the replies come back from each router along the way to Google. That first one, 192.168.1.1, that's my router, my home router here. The next hop will probably be my cable modem, which is immediately after this device. That's going to time out because it doesn't normally accept these ping requests. This is probably a security feature of that device. Now we see responses from Shaw. Shaw Cable is my ISP, so a couple of their routers are responding. And if we wanted to, we could take these IPs and put them into Google and find out who owns them and what where our pings are actually traveling around the world. Okay, so I don't recognize these ones. We could Google them if we wanted to, but this one looks like a Seattle router here, SEA, and that must be where this Google server is being hosted. So round trip took about 16 milliseconds to go from my router here at home to the Google router in Seattle. Very quickly, very fast. This request timed out is either my cable modem or one of Shaw's gateway routers. Okay, let's try another one here. Tracert, and we'll ping my web server down in the States. There's my router, 192.168.1.1. The next hop will time out because it's not accepting ICMP requests. Not to worry. And there's 150.125 and 121. They must be on the same switch. Okay, now we're going a different route. Looks like we're still in Shaw land here. That looks like Shaw again. Yeah, Shaw. And now we're at GoDaddy. This is my registrar for my website. And it looks like they're hosting with another company, secureserver.net. Okay, so what does this show us? Again, quickly, it tells us that the time to get to the final router and back again was 129 milliseconds, about just over a tenth of 1 second. If you had a bad route in here, or a bad router in here, this time in milliseconds would be very high. And this is particularly useful if the bad router or the bad switch or the bad device on your network is causing you problems. Traceroute will help you identify which device is the problem one. This one here was a bit of a lag between after 59 and went to 131, so there might be some traffic on this this device here. Certainly at this speed it's not worrisome. I don't have a bad network to demonstrate to you, but that's quickly how you can use Traceroute to identify bad devices on a network. I hope that helped. Thank you.